In 1986, a woman learned to fly helicopters for the most romantic reason imaginable, breaking her husband out of prison. Nadine Vaujour's husband Michel was serving time in France's most secure facility, so she got her pilot's license and bought a helicopter. On a sunny morning, she landed right on the prison roof. Michel climbed aboard and they flew to freedom. 2 years later, she did it again. Same method, different prison. Their crime spree across France ended when Michel was paralyzed during a botched armored car robbery. Love makes people do extraordinary things.